Hello. So this question is asked in GATE EC 2023. The question is W to the power 4 is equal to 16J. So this is a complex variable question, complex number question. So which of the following cannot be the value of W? So these are the four options that we have to identify. So basically you have to first understand W to the power 4 is equal to 16J. So what would be your W? W would be 16J to the power 1 by 4. That can be written as, this can be written as 2 to the power 4. It means it is 2 into z to the power 1 by 4, right? Now I have already taught you in complex variable that e to the power j theta can be written as cos theta plus j sin theta, right? So you try to express this j. I have taught you like e to the power j, e to the power, let's say j1 is there, right? So that can be written as how much? I have to get j, so I need to put it only j. So sin theta should be 1 and cos theta should be 0. So can I write it down? 2n plus 1 pi by 2. So if I write 2n plus 1 pi by 2, it will be a general value like pi by 2, 3 pi by 2, 5 pi by 2, all those things. Okay. So this is going to give you j. Okay. Now if you want like 1 you want to express, so it will become e to the power j 2n pi. Why? Because this will become cos 2n pi plus j sin 2n pi. So this is always 0 and this will be always 1. So this is how you are going to express any value as a general constant. Okay, so I've done it for you. You can see it here. W is equal to 2 into j to the power 1 by 4. So this will become 2 into j can be expressed as e to the power j times 2n plus 1 pi by 2. But the problem is I need to find out always this should be j, right? So I have told you guys that sine n pi by 2 is actually what? Plus minus 1. So this can be plus j, this can be minus j. So when it is always plus j, when n will become like even number. So if it is even, what will happen? 2 to the 4, 2 to the 4 plus 1 5 pi by 2. So in that case I will have to have 0 2 4 6 like that. Understood? So in that case I am going to get, this will come inside, so it will become pi by 8. So this is the value now we have. If we have this value, then what is going to happen? Let's say n equal to 0. What would be your W value? So W will be e to the power j pi by 8. Then 2 e to the power j 5 pi by 8. Then 4 e to the power j 9 pi by 8. So basically the values that you are going to get is, these three values. If you keep on increasing, it will be 6 8 10 something like that. So what is the value that you are not getting here? 2 pi by 8 or 4 pi by 8 or 7 pi, sorry, like 8 pi by 8, something like that you are not having. The even numbers are not there. So option number A is correct. Understood? Okay, fine, thank you.